This is my dog Peppa, and my Rube Goldberg machine, Peppa's pet food project, is designed to give Peppa a treat. It will demonstrate various physics concepts including momentum, simple harmonic motion, energy, rotational motion, and kinematics through a series of collisions, energy conversions, forces of velocity and acceleration, and more. The project also utilizes many types of energy. It demonstrates the law of conservation of energy by transferring through the many different types of energy, specifically using electrical energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, and gravitational energy. I tried to incorporate magnetic energy, but it could not fit in my design. Analyzing the beginning of the project, the ball hanging from the pendulum at rest with gravitational potential energy is moved with a force generated from electrical energy, which is from the air pump. This helps demonstrate simple harmonic motion, where when moving, the kinetic energy is at the maximum when the ball is at the equilibrium, and the potential energy is at the maximum when the velocity of the ball is at zero and the acceleration is maxed out, which is at the endpoints. The ball transfers energy when it collides with the Pringles can, and it pushes it off the tape dispenser, which is keeping it from rolling off the slight incline that the book is at. The can previously at rest now has kinetic energy, and it moves to hit the first big use of simple machines, which is the wheel and axle, which is demonstrated by the toy car, and it has 4 wheels. This was previously at rest, but now the car is transferred energy from the can, which allows it to travel, and it falls into the bucket below. All moving objects show the concept of momentum because they're all mass and motion. So when the car hits the bin, it could be considered a collision. It is showing the second use of a simple machine, which is the lever. So the energy is transferred from the car, and the bottom of the lever is lowered while the upper part of the lever is raised. The lever is made from a spatula and a cardboard pipe, which is using the Christmas light holder as a fulcrum, and the back of the spatula hits the second Christmas light holder, which is going to roll off the third simple machine, which is the inclined plane. So the light holder is rolling down the inclined plane. It has a maximum potential energy at the top of the inclined plane and the maximum kinetic energy at and the minimum potential energy at the bottom. This also shows Newton's first law of motion, which states that an object in motion stays in motion unless acted by an outside force, because it continues to roll as it after it leaves the inclined plane. It also demonstrates rotational physics because it is rotating as it is going. The toys around the area are for safety, to soften the blow of the wheel if it goes off course and lessen the impact if it hits the wall. It also helps warn others of the direct line of the light holder. So the light holder will hit the box and it transfers energy, and it has a domino effect on the other boxes, and it transfers energy to the wipes can, which is knocked over, and it's lifted off the string, which is the next use of a simple machine, which is going to be the pulley. So when the container is lifted off the string, the tension is relieved, and the gravity allows the heavier part of the pulley to start going down. So the side with the treat is heavier because there's nothing on the other side anymore. So it starts to lower due to gravity. But it does not lower all the way because I put a stopper on there, which is a Duncan lid, and that is so that it doesn't lower all the way, so that my dog doesn't get hit on the head like she did the first few times I tried this. And this is a good demonstration of potential gravitational energy. Now rewatching the video, hopefully we can identify all the different physics concepts that were used, and also identify that there are a bunch of energy transfers, as well as showing the law of conservation of energy in certain points as well.